Welcome back. So from today our repairing journey started. Today, we will repair our Chiron. Yesterday I started it. So, I know today we'll start by oneself. Let's do the cold start. Again not starting. Finally it starts in second self. First, we will go to the workshop. Then we will go to the washing center and bring our Chiron in original condition. After getting so much impact, it's still running well. I don't want to mess up again. So, I will keep my speed under 120. Very slowly cross the station. So let's start the work. Finally it's repaired. Now, we will go to the washing center. And then you will see how good it will look. Finally our washing is done. Now see what bad condition it was in. Now we will repair other cars, like the G-Wagon and Ram. After this we will repair the M2. Tomorrow, I will show the repair of Ram and G-Wagon. Subscribe, share, comment.